wala naman po kasi as I left yesterday, we talked ni Senator Bato. I even have videos of that.
Pero attorney, may reports daw po na na wala na raw po sa Senate si Senator Bato. Totoo po ba yan?
Kailan niyo po na-receive?
Kanina.
This morning.
Kasi I will give you based on my personal knowledge na nandyan pa siya. But since I'm still here outside, I cannot check. Pero as of last night, nandyan siya, nag-uusap kami. I left, madaling araw na ako umalis. And kinausap ko siya, sir, bilang lawyer niya, may plano po ba kayo na umalis? Wala daw talaga.
So what time did you last see him?
I don't know, madaling araw na kasi yan. Antok na ako, hindi pa ako nakakatulog.
Anong oras ba?
Sa madaling araw.
Mga 2 a.m. 1 a.m.?
Something like that.
Pero wala kayo natanggap na info, sir. I know na papasok pa lang kayo ng Senate.
When was your last communication with him, sir?
Yun, when I left.
Okay,
Right
walang
before I
text.
left, naghawak kamay kami at nag-pray kami ng Holy Spirit, tapos umalis na.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Find out.